What's up, Carrie?
Brian,
This
Uptown
is
Swing,
level 4.
sharing your voice.
Woo. We talked about some different pass-bys.
Yeah. With leaders choosing between a straight back rock step and a roundy rock step, and followers were saying which one they felt.
Straight back. Roundy. And then we had followers decide for themselves which one they wanted to do.
Leaders, you were watching your partner to see if they're getting ready for something different.
Then we added the Carrie Special variation.
Show it.
By ourselves?
Yeah, by
Great.
ourselves.
Looks like this. A rock, step, shuffle, ball tap, slide.
The easy version was rock, step, heat, ba, ba, hey.
And we put that in a pass-by.
Yeah.
Rock, step, shuffle, ball tap, slide. Rock, step, shuffle, ball tap, slide. Then we had the followers decide to go sideways.
But hey, and leaders, how did you deal with it? That was the question we had in the class. Sorry if you weren't there. Bye.